Here is my 1987 BJ74, and trying to get these nice wheels to work better, and they rub a little on the steering components, as you can see with that arm right there. And so got these BONOSS wheel spacers to help with that. Pretty cool looking. Yeah, 30 millimeter should help get that out as well. A little bit of extra. So yeah, should stop the rubbing. All right, here's a close look of these BONOSS brand spacers, and this is a rebranding of the company Blocks, which you've probably heard of decades ago, maybe. Been around for a long time. So yeah, it claims this active cooling technique with, I guess, these little grooves. And yeah, it has a little manual for how to install different types of spacers with different lugs. Warranty claims 10 years. And yeah, some good hardware. Even the little lugs have their brand on it, which is nice. So yeah, we'll get these installed. They come nice and wrapped like that in the box. Beautiful. Woo! All right, here it is on the hub. Just hand tight, and then gonna torque her down. So we're gonna torque this to 83.3 according to the BONOSS online tech. And then do a star pattern, of course, and get her set. For these Toyota washer style lugs with alloy rims, everything I've read online says 83 foot-pounds of torque as well, so that's what we're gonna do and get it all tightened up. All right, spacers all installed. Oh, wheels tilted a little bit. The point, more spaced out, pretty even with the fender. The most important thing is that it clears right there, which it looks like it should. So yeah, I'll do a full tilt and test it out. All right, we're at full tilt and looks like to be cleared. Good to go. That's what you want to see. Oh yeah.